Transferring music from Mac to Android? Here are 4 top methods, each with its own pros and cons. Pick the one that fits your needs best. Method 1. How to transfer music from Mac to Android with professional software for Mac. To help users transfer music from Mac to Android devices fast and easily, we recommend a powerful Android file transfer for Mac. Mobikin Assistant for Android Mac version. Step 1. Connect Android to Mac. Please launch the program and connect your Android device to the Mac via USB cable. You will be prompted to enable USB debugging on your phone. Just go with it. After that, you can see the main interface as below. Step 2. Select the music on the main interface. Please open the music folder. From the left panel, you can see the new or delete or export or refresh buttons on the menu bar. Please tap on New and select the music that you want to copy to your device from a local folder. Step 3. Start to transfer music. After the selection, please confirm your choice to start the music transferring process from your Mac to the connected Android phone. Method 2. How to transfer music from Mac to Android with YouTube Music. On Mac, visit music.youtube.com, sign in profile, upload music, add files. On Android, open YouTube Music library, songs, uploads. Method 3. How to transfer music from Mac to Android with Bluetooth file exchange. How to guide. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices. On Mac, System Preferences, Bluetooth turn on. On Android, Settings, Bluetooth, or swipe down and tap Bluetooth. Step 2. Pair devices. Click Pair on both. Confirm matching codes. Step 3. Send music. On Mac, select Music Share via Bluetooth, choose Android. Step 4. Accept on Android. Tap Accept to receive files. Method 4. How to transfer music from Mac to Android with Apple Music. Subscribe to Apple Music and add songs to your library on Mac. Enable Sync Library. Music Preferences, General, check Sync Library. On Android, install Apple Music, sign in with the same Apple ID, and access your synced music.